to teacher. I am from Group 12. So today I am here to demo our project that we have done to teacher, and our project is about class engagement system that we do with a group of 7. And now because we have less time, so I just show you some feature and our module that we think that is important for our website. So in here, in the system, you can do the register as well if you want, or if you are the new student. But if you have the account already, you can just click login and then enter the gmail.com, and then enter the password that you use for signing, and then after that you can log in. Yeah, so in here when you log in already, it will show you the name of your account, but that's not a really important point that we want to show today, because yeah, just like you can see, I'm gonna show you something that on the navbar first, and this is about homepage that we have some information that the user will see when they click, and then this is everything that you need in here, or it's similar to the tool that we have, and what is the purpose of building it, and another information. And now move to about page that we have. This is mostly the information is contained to us, the one who built the system, and some description, and also show those people who built the system as well, like our team that we have 7. Yeah, and that's all. And now for the tool we have all tool, random tool and student or classroom or game, that we separate it from our tool if you want to see only a part of it. Yeah, but if you don't want, you want to see our tool, you just click this one. And the last is contact. In here you can contact to us by, this is our Gmail or something, and we also have the form that they can use to send the message and the location of us as well. Yeah, and this is just the navbar. Okay, now let's move to the important part that we use in this system. Is this one. The first is about our module about random wheel, that we use it to have the teacher can use it by themselves without using online. So just imagine that when teacher want this tool for random their student, they don't need to go online to find to another website, one website for this one website for this one, but for this, if they have built-in already in their school, they can use it, and the teacher can use it easily than before, because one website have a lot of tools that they can use for engagement. And for the data here, it's just the num data that we put it in our system. You can also put the name of the student in here. Yeah, I'm gonna show you right here. Just input it and then add on. So in here you can do the spin wheel to select the student. Yeah, it will show Yang Sukyang, and then if you want to remove, you can remove her from here. Yeah, and we also have the same that we can put, this color, this one, following what you like, and it's depends on the taste of the user. Okay, that's all for this one. Now let's move to another tool. This is about card picker. Actually, the group update is just random, so you can choose the random in whatever you like. But this is just what we like, give the choice to the user, what style that they want, they can use it. In here as well, you can pick student. Yeah, for picking, we pick only one. Yeah, but if you want to do it again, just restart and then import the student. You can put the student name again. Oh, sorry. My goodness. You can import the student here. Yeah, when we import already, we can because there's a lot of students, it can be slow a bit. So now all the students have here, but when we pick, it's gonna pick one student. Yeah, like you can see, this one have been picked. So if you want to try again, we just want to like pick as group. So you can select the group have 2 members, 3 or 4 members, and then you click group it. It will group those people. So those people have the pick mark will be in the same group. Okay, and this all for this one. Now move to another one. It's about student picker. There's so many picker tool as well, but as I tell you that it's the same purpose of using this, but there's different style. You can do the import and then random, yeah, point here, and then pick another one, and for those who pick already will be removed from the system, from the random. Yeah. This one is about group generator. So in here, we can also upload the file, like about the student name. And after here, we just click random. If we want it to be blend, we will blend. So the group, this target here, it's about the group size. I want like 5 group, so I pick it here. So it will divide those, all of those students into 5 groups. And if I want to like regenerate, it will regenerate those students. Okay, I think you understand about it because there's a lot of tool that you use. And this one is about email because we just want to make it look more fun to use or something. We just add this and then we start to pick the student by the picture, but it's similar to the student pick normally as well. Okay, this one also the picking, yeah, and then you can pick the student. Yeah, as you can see, there are so many things that similar because everyone can use whatever they like. Yeah, and now I don't want to spend much time on it. I'm gonna start with the new one. It's about quiz. This one is not. It's about the quiz that people or students can come here to take the quiz. So if they want to take quiz, just click here and then start quiz, and then they can choose the answer that they want. Yes, just click on it. Try to click it until it finishes, so you're gonna see the result. Then submit answer, so it will show that how many answer that you correct and something, and you can see the range of the score that you got. As like you can see here that these people they correct all, and this is your current ranges. And one more thing, we can do like that, and then just I'm gonna try to show it again because slightly. Yes, so after you do it here, you can do the review to see how many answers that you get it correct and incorrect, that you can know about it and can learn from it later. Okay, now I'm gonna move back to another tool. This one is about icebreaker. So in here, there's some activity that the teacher can use it in the class. So like this is about two truths and 1 lie. So teacher can write some sentence in here. I like avocado, or I like snack, and I like water. So in here we can select the 1 line, and then after generating that, teacher can use it in the screen to let the student guess which one is a lie, to make more engagement of the student, to like guess, do the guessing game after or before starting the class or something. So after they choose already, teacher just click reveal the lie, and then they will see the correct answer. Okay, another one is about would you rather. So in here, for the purpose, for example, like you study in the class and then you want to survey which activity that student prefer: explore unknown spaces and the sea floor, or have built the first human creativity on a new planet. So if the first student choose option A, it will show like this. Yeah, and they can also view the result. So in here we can compare how many students they choose option A and how many students they choose option B. So because there's only one student choose it on this one, that's why this is 100%. But if another student they choose option B, this one may be 50% and 50%. Yeah, I think you understand about this. Now let me show you another one because we have less time. This one is about mood check. So we just want to check how students feel after learning the course, and if the student feel like this a lot, this one might be at the top and can have a lot of more vote than the other. And this one is about word cloud. In here we use it for doing the survey as well. So for example, when you've done learning the course to the student, and then you want the student to tell how do they feel after learning that course. So when you send this to the student, they can write the word like sad, happy, interested, or something. And then if another student they start feel sad again, they send this one the most, the sad will be bigger, so we can know that this session makes student feel sad. Okay, that's all for this one, and I don't want to spend much time on this. Now let's move to another one. Is about classroom timer. So in here it's just like a timer in another website as well, but we just want to build everything in one website that it's easy to use and can save time. So in here we can start it here. Yeah, just like you can see, it count, and just like you can see, it count, and we can change it as well. But when it's loading, we cannot change it yet, because we can pause, can resume, and can reset. So when we set reset, this one can be changed, and if we set it as 3 seconds and then start, we load thing, and then it show the sound. Yeah, it's like that. Okay, we can also set it like this, like this, like this. That's all for this one. Now move to another. It's about stopwatch. In here is different from timer. For timer, you set the countdown or something that in 10 minutes, in 1 minute for examination, or the quiz or something, or for debate or something that teacher want to set the time for student to do to limit the time. But for this one, it's about starting the time, that we start from 0 to other. So if they want to know, or in that activity or in that exercise, how many minutes that students spend to complete it, so we can use it. And if the student done their activity, we can click on pause to know that they spend this time to finish that one. Okay, I believe that you guys know about this a lot. Yeah, and okay, that's all for the main tool that we want to show and the purpose of creating this website. Yeah, because we just want the user to use all of this. Yeah, and I believe that it's gonna happen for us. If we have more time than 1 month, we gonna develop it more to be more flexible and improve the flow of it. And thank you, teacher, for spending time to watch about my demonstration.